Hello, my dear friends. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Online Ventures by Example. I am Zubair Ehsani, and today we will discuss about excretion. So let me see how many of you are live. Can we have the responses, please? Please respond fast. I'm waiting for your responses, guys. So this is very important topic. A lot of questions have been asked from this topic. So we will discuss excretion and different types of excretory materials of different animals, and also excretory organs of different animals, and then we will discuss about the human excretory system. Okay, so please respond fast. So first of all, we are going to discuss some we are going to share some information. Here we have the English medium channel. Please subscribe the channel for SSC CGL CHSL CPO MTS etc. And here we have the daily timetable. At 7 a.m. we have current affairs classes by Roshan Chandan sir. At 9 a.m. we have general science classes by Zubair Ehsani, and 10:30 a.m. we have vocab classes by Nitin Mishra sir. At 12 p.m. we have English classes by Nitin Mishra sir again, and 2 p.m. we have GK and GS classes by Roshan Chandan sir. 5 p.m. we have maths classes by Dipender Singh sir, and 6 p.m. we have reasoning classes by Sonal ma'am. 7 p.m. we have GKGS classes by Prabarsal. Prabarsal. So take the screenshot of the slide. So tell me, what is excretion? What is excretion? Digvijay, namaskar, how are you? कैसे हैं? So very simple, guys. Here we have the definition of excretion. What is excretion? Removal of waste products from the body of a living organism. Removal of waste products from the body of a living organism is known as excretion. Excretion, very simple. Now we are going to discuss excretory organs of different animals. So this is very important slide. Lot of questions have been asked from this slide, that is excretory organs of different animals. So in this column we have excretory organs, and here we have the examples. Okay, when we talk about amoeba, this is very important point. What is amoeba? Amoeba is an unicellular animal, single-celled animal. This is amoeba. So in amoeba, excretion takes place by, suppose the question is in amoeba excretion takes place by, your answer should be CM, that is cell membrane, or PM, plasma membrane. What is cell membrane? This is single-celled animal, and any cell is covered with a membrane which is known as CM or PM. This is your plasma membrane. If plasma membrane is not in option, your answer should be contractile vacuole. Okay, contractile vacuole. So in amoeba, excretion takes place by, your answer should be plasma membrane or cell membrane or contractile vacuole. Tell me, what is contractile vacuole, Deepika? So when we talk about amoeba, see, this is single-celled animal, and here we have a small spherical structure which is known as contractile vacuole. Okay, contractile vacuole. It takes part in osmoregulation as well as, if you talk about the contractile vacuole, see, this is contractile vacuole which is found in amoeba. We also have food vacuole, and here we have the nucleus. So when excess water enters, when amoeba absorb excess water, intake excess water. Then this excess water enters into the contractile vacuole. Now contractile vacuole swells, it becomes large due to absorption of water. Now this contractile vacuole will move towards the edge of the cell, like this, edge of the cell, and then this contractile vacuole will burst and release excess water. So what is the function of contractile vacuole in amoeba? The first function, or you can say major function, is osmoregulation. What do you mean by osmoregulation? Tell me. Osmoregulation means water balance or fluid balance inside the body of an organism. So the major function of contractile vacuole is osmoregulation. Osmoregulation means water balance as well as in water. Suppose here we have some excretory materials. So excretory materials are also excreted out through this water. So the contractile vacuole regulates the water content of the cell, and regulation of water content of the cell is known as what? Osmoregulation. So the major function of contractile vacuole is osmoregulation, but it also takes part in excretion. It also a means of excreting its waste from the cell. Okay, and without the contractile vacuole, the amoeba will burst. Okay, so this is very important function of amoeba. So when we talk about what is in amoeba, excretion takes place by, your answer should be plasma membrane or cell membrane. If plasma membrane or cell membrane is not in option, your answer should be contractile vacuole. Now please try to answer a very important question. Suppose if the question is major function of contractile vacuole is, very important question, super duper hit question. This question has been asked in various competitive examination lot of time. That is, what is the major function of contractile vacuole? Contractile vacuole का major function क्या है? Suppose in options we have excretion, storage, osmoregulation, circulation. Definitely your answer should be osmoregulation. Osmoregulation, that is option C will be the right option. If osmoregulation is not in option, your answer should be excretion, no doubt. If osmoregulation is not in option, your answer should be excretion. If both are in option, we will give priority to which one? We will give priority to osmoregulation, means water balance. This is the major function, osmoregulation. Please remember, this is very important question. So when we talk about the contractile vacuole, the major function of contractile vacuole is regulation of water content of the cell or osmoregulation, but it also means of excretion. Okay. Now, when we talk about the sponges, hydra, sponges, hydra, in sponges and hydra, excretion takes place by general body surface. If you talk about hydra, this is an animal, and here we have pores on the body. In sponges also we have pores on the surface of the body, and excretion takes place by general body surface like this. When any excretory material is formed, removed from the body through these pores. So general body surfaces. This is very important. In flatworms belongs to which kingdom? Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes. Platy means flat, helminth means worm. So in flatworms, that is in Hindi it is called chapti krimi. In flatworms, excretion takes place by specialized cells known as phloem cells. This is very important. So with the help of phloem cells, excretion takes place in, your answer should be flatworms. So in flatworms, excretion takes place by phloem cells, also known as what? Protonephridia. Protonephridia. Very, very important. This one. This is very important. Please remember earthworm. In earthworm, we have nephridia for excretion. So in earthworm, excretion takes place by nephridia. This is also very important. Super duper hit question in cockroaches, excretion takes place by. What is the excretory organ of cockroaches? Your answer should be Malpighian tubules. We have tubules like a structure in the body of cockroaches, or you can say insect. In insects, suppose if the question is in insects, excretion takes place by, your answer should be Malpighian tubules. Now, when we talk about the fishes, amphibians like frog, reptiles like snakes, lizards, crocodiles, tortoise, turtles belongs to which one? Which class? Reptiles. Birds and mammals. So in fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals, excretion takes place by kidney. Kidney. Excretion takes place by kidney. Clear? Now, next is prawn. In Hindi, this is called jhinga. Jhinga. Prawn is not a fish. Okay. In prawn, excretion takes place by green gland. Green gland. So please remember these points. The first one is phloem cells. By the phloem cells, excretion takes place in flatworms, nephridia, earthworm, Malpighian tubules, cockroaches, and kidney. Fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. In fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals, excretion takes place by kidneys. I hope it is clear to all of you. Please take the screenshot of this slide. Super duper hit slide, my dear friend. Now, we are going to discuss the classification of animals on the basis of excretory products. So, on the basis of excretory materials, animals are classified into three categories: ammonotalic, ureotalic, uricotalic. This classification is based on the basis of what? Excretory products. So on the basis of excretory products, animals are of three types: ammonotalic, ureotalic, uricotalic. So when excretory product of an organism is ammonia, then this is called ammonotalic. That is, those animals which excrete ammonia as a waste product. Those animals which excrete ammonia as a waste product are called ammonotalic. Those animals which excrete urea as a waste product are called ureotalic. And those animals which excrete uric acid as a waste product are called uricotalic, my dear friends. Robin. Clear? Now, in amoeba, tadpole larva and fishes, excretory material is, suppose if the question is the excretory product of or excretory material or waste product of amoeba, tadpole larva or fishes, your answer should be ammonia. So ammonia is the waste product of amoeba, tadpole larva and fishes. Tell me, what is tadpole larva? What is tadpole larva? Tell me. Baby frog. Baby frog. Robin. Very good. So in aquatic animals, the excretory product is ammonia, and when we talk about human frog, excretory material will be urea. That's why human, frog are ureotalic. If you talk about insects, birds and reptiles, excretory material will be uric acid. So insects, birds, reptiles are uricotalic animals. Human as well as frog are ureotalic because their waste products are urea. When we talk about amoeba, tadpole larva, fishes, the excretory product will be ammonia. That's why they are called what? A monotalic animal. Okay, so when we talk about the human being, our waste product is urea. Urea. Okay. So if the question is urea is formed in, suppose if the question is urea is formed in which part or which organ of your body, suppose in options we have liver, in second option we have kidney, third heart, and suppose in fourth option we have lungs. Tell me which one will be the right option. Urea is formed in which part of your body? Urea is formed in which part of your body? Tell me which one will be the right option. Liver, kidney, heart, lungs. Robin is saying option 2 should be the right option. So right answer should be liver. If the question is urea is formed in, your answer should be liver. But if the question is urine is formed in, then your answer should be kidney. We will discuss what is the differences between urea and urine. Don't worry. So urea is formed in liver by which process? Urea is formed in liver by which process? By ornithine cycle. A cycle operates in your liver which is known as ornithine cycle. This is also very important question. Okay. So urea is formed in liver by which process, by which cycle? Ornithine cycle. But urine is formed in your kidneys. Okay. Now this is the molecular formula of urea. This is the molecular formula of urea, NH2CO NH2. So major excretory product of human being is urea. So human being is ureotalic animal. Okay. So this is the molecular formula of urea. Please remember one more point, one more thing about urea, that is urea was the first organic compound which was synthesized in lab. Okay. So which of the following is the first organic compound which was prepared in lab? Your answer should be urea. And urea was prepared by a German scientist, Wohler. This is also very important question. Now please try to answer one more question, that is the percentage of nitrogen in urea is about. Super duper hit question. Please remember. Suppose in options we have 47%, 50%, 30%, 75%. Tell me which one will be the right option. Robin, Deepika, tell me. The percentage of nitrogen in urea is about 47, 50%, 30, 75%. Tell me. Respond fast. I'm waiting for your responses. Your answer should be 47%. So 46 to 47%. Please remember this point. Digvijay, you are right. Very good. Keep it up. Deepika is saying fourth. That is 75%. No. Right answer should be 46 to 47%. Okay. So remember these points. Very, very important for all competitive examination, guys. Now this is the molecular formula of urea. NH2CO NH2. Okay. So our urine contains urea. So some bacteria which is present in our surrounding our environment, some bacteria converts this urea into ammonia. Tell me, oxidation takes place or reduction takes place? Here urea is oxidized or reduced. So some bacteria reduces urea into ammonia. So here reduction takes place. Addition of hydrogen to a substance. Addition of hydrogen to a substance is called reduction. Okay. So some bacteria which are present in our environment, our surrounding reduces urea into ammonia, and a smell of urine is due to ammonia. So suppose if the question is a smell of urine is due to, your answer should be ammonia. A smell of urine is due to ammonia. This is also very important question. Now, please try to answer this question. This is also very super duper hit question. Always comes in your exam. Yellow color of urine is due to. Suppose in options we have carotene, bilirubin, biliverdin, and in fourth option suppose we have urochrome. Now the question is yellow color or pale yellow color of urine is due to. यूरिन का हल्का पीला रंग की वजह है. Pale yellow color of urine is due to carotene, bilirubin, biliverdin, urochrome. Tell me which one will be the right option. Robin is saying no idea, sir. Right answer should be fourth option. So please remember this point. Pale yellow color of urine is due to urochrome. Urochrome, please remember, not bilirubin. When we talk about carotene, carotene is an yellow pigment. It is found in carrot or cow milk. So if the question is yellow color of cow milk is due to, your answer should be carotene. When we talk about bilirubin and biliverdin, no doubt bilirubin is an yellow color pigment and biliverdin is a green colored pigment. But both bilirubin and biliverdin are found in, tell me, bilirubin, which is a pigment, biliverdin, it is also a pigment. These pigments are found in your bile juice. We have already discussed bile juice. What is bile juice? It is secreted by liver and stored in gallbladder. So please remember these points. Very, very important for all competitive exam, my dear friends. So yellow color of cow milk is due to carotene. Carotene is an yellow pigment. Okay. When we talk about bilirubin, it is a yellow pigment but found in bile juice. Biliverdin, green pigment found in bile juice. And what is urochrome? It is a yellow colored pigment found in urine. So yellow color of urine is due to urochrome. Now, please try to answer one more question. This urochrome is formed by the decomposition of your hemoglobin. This is a product of hemoglobin. As we know that our RBCs, that is red blood cells, contain a red pigment which is known as hemoglobin, which is the carrier of oxygen. And what is the average lifespan of RBCs? The average lifespan of RBCs are 120 days. After 120 days, death of RBCs occur, and RBCs are decomposed in your which body? Liver. and due to decomposition this pigment, that is urochrome, is formed. So urochrome is formed by the dead RBCs, by the decomposition of dead RBCs. Okay, please remember. So pale yellow color of urine is due to urochrome. Now tell me the pH of urine. pH of urine is about, Deepika, you are right. It is the product of hemoglobin. Very good. pH of urine is about, when we see the NCRT says pH of urine is about 6 or 6.8 in options. So suppose in options we have both the data 6 and 6.8, we will give priority to which one? 6, because this is the data of NCRT. Now please try to answer one more question. Human urine is acidic or basic in nature? Tell me. Human urine is acidic or basic in nature? Tell me. This is also very important question. Suppose in options we have human urine is acidic. In second option we have basic in nature, basic or alkaline, neutral, none of these. Definitely your answer should be human urine is acidic in nature. But suppose in options we have, I am going to change the options. Question same, that is pH of urine is about, okay, pH of urine is about 6 or 6.8. If both are in option, we will give priority to which one? 6. Now the question is, human urine is acidic in nature, slightly acidic in nature. Okay. Suppose in third option we have basic in nature, and in fourth option slightly basic. Tell me which one should be the right option. Very important. Human urine is acidic, basic, neutral, none. Definitely your answer should be acidic in nature, but suppose in options we have both acidic and slightly acidic, we will give priority to which one? We will give priority to slightly acidic. Slightly acidic. Digvijay, you are right. Very good. Very good. Okay. So when we talk about human urine is slightly acidic, my dear friend. Please remember this point. Never forget it. Super duper hit point. Super duper hit point. Slightly acidic. Okay. Now please try to answer this question. This is also very important question, and this question has been asked in various competitive examination a lot of time. How much of the volume of urine is produced in an adult human every day? 1 liter, 1.5 liters, 3 liters, 5 liters. Tell me. How much urine is produced in 24 hours? That is every day. 1 liter, 1.5 liter, 3 liter, 5 liter. Yes, Robin, you are right. Absolute right. 1.5 liter. So about 1.5 liters of urine is produced every day. That is in 24 hours. Please remember this data also. Now, so here we have the information. Please subscribe our channel. Share also. Please press bell icon to get the notifications of our all upcoming classes. And here we have the daily timetable. Please take the screenshot and share. Now we will discuss human excretory system. Human excretory system. So here we have the organs of human excretory system. Okay. So human excretory system consists of consists of one pair kidneys. This is the left and this is the right kidney. Okay. Next we have tube-like structures which connects kidney to your urinary bladder. So here we have the tube-like structures. These tube-like structures arise from kidney and opens into your urinary bladder. So this is your left ureter and this is your right ureter. So what are the ureters? Ureters are the tube-like structure which connects kidney to gallbladder. Now here we have a bladder-like structure where urine is stored, and this is called urinary bladder, and the route through which urine is discharged out from your body, this route is known as what? Urethra. So these are the following organs of your excretory system, my dear friends. Okay, when we talk about left kidney and right kidney, see, this is your left kidney, this is your left, and this is your right kidney. Okay, please remember one more thing. The right kidney is slightly smaller. The right kidney is slightly smaller and lower than left kidney, because in right side we have liver. Liver pushes down right kidney. Okay, so the right kidney is generally slightly smaller and lower than the left kidney to make the space for liver, because in right side we have liver. So just remember guys, the right kidney is slightly smaller and lower in position with respect to left kidney. Now when we talk about the weight, see, the weight of kidney in males is about 125 to 170 grams, and in female it is about 115 to 155 gram. Okay, 55 gram. Now when we talk about the kidney, internal structure of kidney, each kidney is made up of fine tubes like structures. In each kidney we have 1 million fine tube like structures, and these tube like structures are known as nephrons. And nephrons are also known as uriniferous tubules. Uriniferous tubules. So kidneys are made up of tubes like structure, fine tubes like structures, and these tube like structures are called nephrons, or you can say uriniferous tubules. Uriniferous tubules. That's why nephrons are the structural and functional unit of the kidney. So kidney is made up of nephrons, and of course filtration of blood also takes place by nephron. That's why nephrons are also called structural and functional unit of the kidney. Nephrons are also called structural and functional unit of the kidney. So structural and functional unit of the kidney is your nephrons. Please remember. And structural and functional unit of your nervous system is, tell me. When we talk about the nephrons are the structural and functional unit of kidney. And a structural and functional unit of nervous system is your neurons. So when we talk about the kidneys, a structural and functional unit of kidney is your nephron. And nephron is also known as what? Uriniferous tubules. But when we talk about the testis, what is the structural and functional unit of testis? Testis is also made up of a small tube-like structure, fine tube-like structure, So structural and functional unit of testis is known as seminiferous tubules. Please remember, seminiferous tubules. So please remember these points. A structural and functional unit of kidney is nephron or uriniferous tubules. A structural and functional unit of testis is seminiferous tubules, and a structural and functional unit of your nervous system is neurons. I hope it is clear to all of you. This is very important question. Now, when we talk about the parts of nephron, we have following parts of the neuron, that is glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, loop of Henle, collecting ducts. So please remember these are the parts of your nephron. For example, if the question is glomerulus is a part of, your answer should be nephron. If nephron is not in option, your answer should be kidneys. If kidney is not in option, your answer should be excretory system. Yes, excretory system. So suppose if the question is glomerulus is a part of, your answer should be nephron. If nephron is not in option, your answer should be kidney, because what is kidney? Kidney is a collection of nephrons. A structural and functional unit of kidney is nephron. And what is kidney? It is a part of excretory system. Okay. So suppose if the question is glomerulus is a part of, your answer should be nephron. If nephron is not in option, your answer should be kidney. If kidneys are not in option, your answer should be excretory system. Similarly, if the question is Bowman's capsule is a part of, just remember it is a part of nephron. If nephron is not in option, your answer should be kidneys, then excretory system. Loop of Henle, collecting ducts are the parts of, again your answer should be nephron. Nephron is not in option, kidneys, then we have excretory system. I hope it is clear to all of you. If clear, please comment. If you have still any doubt, you can ask, please. Clear? Everybody, please respond. If you have still any doubt, you can ask. So please remember, a structural and functional unit of kidney is nephron. A structural and functional unit of nervous system is your neuron. And a structural and functional unit of your testis is seminiferous tubules. Okay. Okay guys, in next class we will discuss about the function of kidneys, how urine is formed in your kidney. Then we will discuss about some urinary diseases, for example, what is gout, okay, and what is dialysis. And we will also discuss about the excretion in plants. Excretion in plants. What are the excretory materials of the plants? What are the gaseous excretory material of the plant? Solid waste material of the plant? How they can remove from the plant body? Okay. So see you in the next class, guys. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Thank you very much. See you again.